Hey guys, the next function or method that we are trying to learn in set in the methods that we have for set is union method. Now, union method is used to return a new set containing all the unique elements from the original set and all specified sets. So it combines all the elements from multiple set without including duplicates. Now we can use pipeline operator as well as an alternative. The original set remains unchanged as union produces a new set. So it is commonly used to merge set. So if you have to join various set, then it is used so that I remove duplicates and I have unique elements within the set. And altogether, it does not modify the original set. It creates a new set altogether. So I have this set, yeah, dot union, and I have to specify the other sets. So what other set does is it accepts variable number of set objects as parameters. Okay. And it returns a new set containing all unique elements from the given set. So this method, you need to remember that it returns new set containing all unique elements from the given sets. So let's have some basic example on union method. So I have this set 1 that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I have another set that is 3, 4, 5, 6. And I am doing a union, set 1 dot union, set 2. And I'm printing the union set. Perfect. Let's run this. So you can see this. We had common elements within this two set, which has been removed and kept as unique. So I have only unique elements from both the sets. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the uncommon element, which was 6, has been added to that set. So basically, it creates a new set with the unique elements from multiple set. Let's see what happens if I pass on an empty set. So it gives you an original set. So let's see. I have the set 1 which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as element and set 2 as empty set. And I'm trying to unite this two set by the union method. Let's see what is the output once again. This time we are trying to push an empty set since there is no element within the second set. It just gives you the original set. Okay. So the basic thing that you need to remember is union combines both the set with unique values. So if both the set have all the elements common with them, then it will give you either of the set as the value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have one set with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have another set with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm uniting both the sets using the union method. and the output would be one of the set, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because there is no uncommon which could get added to the earlier set. Yeah. Now, how can we use multiple sets using union? So, combining multiple sets using union method. Yes. So I have these sets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So there is a common parameter or element that is 3, 4, 5. 6 is added. 6 is common within this 3, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7, 8. Okay. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 should be the answer. So let's combine the sets using the set method, union set. So what I have to do is just add a comma and add the set 3 that we have to combine. Let's see the output. It should ideally give you the output as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is the output. Yeah. So it is giving me unique elements from each of the set once it is combined. Okay. As I said, we can also use combining elements using combining sets using pipeline operator. Yeah, pipeline is this one operator just above your enter key on your keyboard. So what I have to do is set 1, pipeline set 2, pipeline set 3. So this works. Yes. Let's see what is the output. Here again, the same output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So either you use a union method or you use a pipeline symbol to combine all the sets. But the output would be the same. What you need to understand, what is the output that is going to come out of this method? That is, it is going to give you the unique elements from all the sets. And that too in a new variable altogether. Hope you understood the concepts on union. Hope you like this video. Do like it and share it with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment if you have any views on the examples that I have shown and you want to add anything more which will help the viewers to gain more knowledge. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you like to get such kind of videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.